Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today our topic is adding images to a document. In this video, we will understand how we can add images to a document. And the subtopics about this adding image to a document are: first one is how we can insert an image file to a document. Second is about the formatting of an image, how we can format an image in our document. Third is how we can delete an image that we have used in a document, how we can delete that. So these are the subtopics of the main topic, that is adding images to a document. Now let us understand one by one. Adding image to a document, it simply means that how we can add an image to a document. So we can add an image by inserting an image file to a document. But there are so many ways by which we can insert an image file. First one is insert image dialog. So we have an option. If we go through that option, we can insert an image. In the menu bar, we find that there is an insert menu, which is almost fourth one here. You can see it. File, then edit, then view, then insert. Click on the insert and we find that there is image option. So click on that image. But before we are going through the procedure, we should first choose where we have to insert that. For example, we want to insert here. So our cursor should be here where we want to insert that image. Now our cursor is here, so we will insert the image here. Now let us go through the options. First of all, we should go to the menu bar and then insert, and here it is an image. Then it will switch us for the source where it is. Okay, we will go through this window, and let me my picture is in this folder, pictures, and from this pictures I will choose any picture. For example, okay, this one, open you. So this is the first way of inserting image dialog, by using inserting image. Insert image, let us recapitulate this. Once again, I will show you how going through this menu bar, and there is an insert option. Click on the insert, then we have an image option, and click on this. It will switch us to a new window, and from that we will choose the source, and then click on that very image which we want to select, which we want to be in our document. Then use this open option, and it will be here. Now I will do it cancel. Okay. Next method of inserting an image is linking method. By this linking method, we can insert a picture in our document. The procedure of this linking an image method is same as of the previous one, but there is a little difference between the two. The method is by going through the same options. For example, in the previous one, we go through this menu bar, and there is an insert menu bar. And by this insert menu bar, there is a option, that is image. Click on that, and we will move to the source document. Now we will choose an image from here, from the source. For example, we choose this picture and open. If we open, it is the same way of the previous, but in linking method, there is a checkbox here. You can see it, and in that checkbox it is unchecked link. So we will check it. Click one click, so it will create a link between this source image, which is a source image here in this path, in this folder, and our document that is here. So it will confirm us that confirm linked graphics. We will yes, keep link. So this is the image that we want. So now what is the difference between this linking an image and inserting image dialog? The difference is that in this method, in the first one, in this method, inserting image, the image is copied here. That means the source file of this image is present there as well as here. So it is a copy of the image that is present in the source file. Now in this linking an image method, the source document is actually not copied, but it is actually the displacement of that very copy. That means we can say that it is nothing but a reference or but a link of that document, of that image. So here the result is that the image is displaced in this document, but when the document is saved, it contains only a reference to the image file, not the image itself. So the document and the image remains as two separate files, and they are merged together only when you open the document again. Now I think you understand this linking an image. How we can understand it fully. For example, if we delete this image or if we move this image from the source file, what will happen to this image? It will not be here, it will not remain here. When we open the image, it will simply give us a link, a reference, but which is not true. For example, I will show you. For example, we will save it, this document. Okay, Control S, or by using this save option. Okay, now I have saved it. I will close this. Now I have closed it, and I will go to the source file where it is. For example, the image was in this picture folder. This was the picture. I will move it. For example, I have moved it, this picture. Now it is not no more here in this folder. I have moved it in another folder. Now close this, and let's open again the same document. That will take few minutes, maybe. Yes, okay, this was the document. We'll open it again. Okay, and our topic is today's topic, that is hair. This is our topic. Now adding image to the document. This was the first one which we have learned, and the image is here. Now in the second one, linking an image, there is no image. Why? There is the image is actually is not present at that address, because we have changed the address of this file. We have moved the file to another folder. This is the difference between the linking an image and inserting image dialog. At the end of the video, I will tell you how we can resume this image by resuming its source file. Now we will move towards another method, that is drag and drop method. In this drag and drop method, we have we should have two windows. One is the source window, and another is the target window. So this is the document where we want to put an image. Okay, I will make by using this option restore down. Let me make this window a smaller one. Now we will go through a file browsing window. We will open a file browsing window where our picture is actually present. For example, the picture is in this folder, pictures, and we will also restore down this. Okay, and we will okay. Now the two windows are here. This is the source window and this is the target window. In this, the image is present, and for example, we want to this image in our document, and this is the target window. So we just drag this window, this picture into our, and where we want. For example, we want here, and we should drop it here. Okay. Now we will close this browsing window, and now restore it back. It is full size, and now it is the image is here. Now you see that this is the drag and drop method. By this drag and drop method, this image is actually the copy of the source image which was present in the folder that I have just showed you. Now we can also make a link of this image by pressing control shift, by holding down control plus shift key and then using the dragging method of the by using the dragging method as usual, as I have shown you. Now this was about the drag and drop method. Now let us move another topic, that is inserting an image from the clipboard. So what is a clipboard? First of all, you should know about the clipboard. A clipboard is nothing but it is a computer memory that temporarily stores data such as text or an image or etc. or anything like that, especially to facilitate its movement or duplications. So it is a kind of memory, clipboard. In short, you remember that a clipboard is nothing but it is a kind of memory. Now this is the traditional way of inserting an image. For example, we have the same two things: source file and target file. So our source file is present here. Go through the browser file window. So here, for example, we want this image. We right click on the image and choose an option, for example, copy. By using this, or we have a shortcut key, control plus C, it copies the file, and then we want to image here. Then we will right click here, or using the paste option, or control plus V. By this, the image has been inserted here. Okay, now the image is here. This method is called as inserting an image from the clipboard. It is the shortest, it is the simplest method, that you just copy the image and then here paste it. So this is the last method that was used for inserting an image. Let us move to another topic, that is formatting. How we can format these images, formatting images. In the formatting image, there are main two topics, that is one is resizing an image, how we can resize an image, and second one is cropping an image, how we can crop that image. We'll understand one by one. First one is resizing an image. There are two methods of resizing. One is by using dragging technique. By using dragging technique, as we will first click on the image that we want to resize. For example, if we go through our document, we find this is the first image which we want to resize. We will click on this, and these green resizer handlers are appearing. For example, if we click on this, here there are no more green resizing handlers. If you click on the picture, these appear. When we go through them, the shape of the cursor changes and it shows the direction of the resizing. Then left click and then drag it, and then release where we want to, which size we want, and then at that point we will release the key. For example, we want like here, and this is the image. If we further want to resize it, okay, this is the perfect size. In this way, we resize. This was the first method by which we resize this image. Now, what is the second method? Second method is by double clicking. By double clicking on the image. For example, we will show you on this image. This is the biggest image. Double click on this image. There are all the options that are related with the image are here. Here are crop. We can even crop here, but the topic is about the resizing an image. So it is the image size. We can manually put the values. For example, it is 16. We will make it only 10. We'll take, okay, we reset it at 10, and now it is 28. Height is 28. We will make it at 18. Okay. We put 18 value and 10 value instead of present values. Okay. Okay. In this way, we resize this image. If we want to further resize it, but we have to go through the first one, doing this way. Okay. Now this is the image. This way we resize it. These are the two methods of resizing. Resizing an image. First one was a quick and easy way, and second was by double clicking on the image, on the picture. Another topic about formatting is cropping. First of all, we should understand what cropping an image means. Cropping an image simply means it is also a kind of resizing an image. But in resizing, we only resize the image. We make the image smaller or bigger. But in cropping, it is a method of resizing in which we can remove that part of the image which we do not want. That means we can remove some part of image. Let us go through an example. There are two methods by which we can crop an image. One is, for example, select this image and then go through the option. It is here, crop image option. Okay, by this formatting toolbar there is an option, crop image. Click on this, and these handlers, crop handlers, appear on this image. Let us remove the part that we do not want. Okay, so now this will, okay, so in this way we resize the picture by removing some part of the image. This was the first way, and the second way is same as we understand in the previous topic, that is resizing an image by double clicking on the image. For example, this is the image in front of us, and there is some part of image which is unwanted. That means we do not want this part. So we can crop it by double clicking. We will double click on the image and all the options are here. Now here is a crop option. Crop, we will put the values. Left side crop at 10 units, for example. Right side 10 units. Top side I think 10 units. Bottom, okay, bottom, let me choose 15 units, because from the lower side it is 20. We will select 20 because it is data, and then okay. Yes, it is cropped, but not fully, as we don't know about the values. Now let us go by this way, which we have really understood by this crop option method. Okay, use the corners. So this was about the cropping an image, how we can crop an image. These were the two methods. Now we will move towards another topic, that is deleting an image. How we can delete an image? We can delete an image by simply clicking on the image. That means we select the image and then press a delete key from the keyboard. For example, if we want to delete an image, we just go through this and then click on the image, single click, and then delete from the keyboard. Delete key is on the keyboard, and you press that delete key, the image will get disappear. For example, like this. Okay, no more. If we want, we will undo it. Now at the end of the video, I will show you how we can resume that image, which was a linked image. Here the image was. We will resume it by going to the source file. In the source folder, this is the source folder where it should be, but we have moved it from this folder to this. Let us make it again to the previous one. Cut it from here and we'll paste it here. Okay, now the image is present in the picture file, picture folder, which was the source folder of the file. Okay, now what we are going to do is we will save this document, okay, and close LibreOffice Writer. Now we will again open it. When we open the LibreOffice Writer and open this file style, and it is here, and our present topic was, today's topic was about images, adding images to a document. And now we will see, this was the first image that we insert image, and linking an image of a file. This is the image which was linked, and in this way we resume it. So let us have some more formatting tools at the end of this video. For example, this, we can have a flip vertically. You can see that what is going to this image, and another is flip horizontally. Okay, it is the rotation. Actually, you can rotate it by any direction. There are the two, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay, this is the rotation. Manual rotation, I think. Yes, at which angle do you want, you can rotate it. So this was all about the today's video. Let us understand few more topics about the LibreOffice. So be with us. Okay, let us meet in another video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.